Hi, today I'm just going to show how's the new wash machine. I know. Just how's the new wash machine, guys? Yes, it is going to be crazy today because. But how's the new wash machine? Sorry, but the new wash machine has loads of clothes. I think it tells the new wash machine tells you how much clothes it has, and then I think it has a timer how long is it left. But the new wash machine is so crazy. Like, it's digital, it's electric. Sorry, but it has been a day since it's put. The new washing machine hasn't been tested yet, but I do want to make a video about it. Okay.
Yeah, don't try it.
Yeah. How's the new washing machine? How's the new washing machine, Mum?
Try it.
I'm gonna try it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try it today.
Right.
I just need to upload the video. Making a video.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Enjoy the video. Bye.